Hello friends, today I want to talk about mother animal. Not only mother humans take care her children. Mother animal take care her babies too. First one, Mother Robin. Mother Robin feeds the babies. Baby Robin eats worms. Second one, Mother Lion. Mother Lion cleans the baby. Mother Lion licks the baby to keep it clean. Third one, Mother Whale. Mother Whale swims with the baby. The last one is special because not mother is a father penguin. Father penguin holds the baby in his feet. Father penguin keeps the baby penguin warm. Thank you, friend. Goodbye.